So to find the solutions through factoring, we're going to change this to 0 and then say, what does x have to be for this to be 0? So in this case, it's x equals 0, nice and easy, or 2x minus 5 equals 0. This one's already done. That's the solution. This one, we're going to move the 5 over, positive 5 over 2. Move the 5 over, divide by 2. This one here, nose hairs or guess and check. So if this becomes 0, what will make this 0? And I know it's going to be 2 times 1. If it's factorable. And I know 13 and 1 is the only thing that multiply to 13. So guess and check, you can put in the minus 1 plus 13, see if it works. In this case, 1 minus 26, it doesn't work. It doesn't add up to plus 25. So I'm going to change this to plus 13. I know I'm close, minus 1. And if I check 1 plus 26, it works. So in this case, it's x equals 1/2. 2x minus 1 equals 0 when I solve, or negative 13. Complete the square. I'm going to make this 0 and move the 54 over. We don't want to use it. So if this is negative 54, I've made that change that you'll see on your page. Move it over. I'm going to add 54 to get to the other side. Complete the square. I'm going to take this, divide by 2, which is negative 3, and negative 3 squared, add 9. So in this case, this factors to x minus 3 squared. Don't forget the negative. Square root both sides, and then move the 3 over. And the last thing I have to do is check the radical. Is there any perfect square that goes into 63? 9 does. 7 will stay behind. The 9, the square root of 9 is 3. 7 left inside. So 3 plus or minus 3 root 7. Same thing on this side. I'm going to make this 0 and move this to the other side. It's minus 8, so it's going to be plus 8 on the other side. Now divide by 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. Add 9 to both sides. Square root both sides, and move the 3 over by subtracting 3. 17, there's no perfect square that goes into it, so I'm done. That's my final answer. Quadratic formula, straight to the point. We're going to use the quadratic formula. So I've got a, b, and c. Start with negative b, it's already negative, so it's going to become positive. And this is where you take out your calculator and find the answer. So I'm going to start with the radical. And you'll notice that square root of 1 is 1. So 11 plus 1 is 12, divided by 4, 3. And 11 minus 1 is 10, divided by 4. And I can reduce that to 5/2. Same thing here, use the formula. This one's positive, so it's going to be negative 4. Start with the radical. Let's make sure it's positive first.